Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use monday.com for your daily schedule, not for work schedule, because for daily work schedule there is a template which you can use and edit it, and basically you won't need to do much. But if you want to use it for your daily plans, all you have to do is first of all create a board, um, and let's just create everything from scratch. So let's click new board. You can always start with a template, but maybe let's do tasks and create a board. It will create a simple project for us. This is how it looks like. Now let's rename our board to daily tasks. So first we're gonna name a group. So for example, tasks, and we're gonna do some household chores like cleaning the floor, cleaning the bathroom, and for example cleaning the kitchen, take out the trash, and that's it. Now what we're gonna do is do some meetings. For example, we have to meet with a friend X, and maybe meet with plumber. Now you can also add another group, enter, so like entertainment, and so on and so forth. So we create our tasks, meetings, entertainments, whatever you do here. And now we also want to create a time blocks with which can be done with Kanban. There's also a calendar which you can add like so, as you can see, and you can edit where you put it. Now for the time blocking, the Kanban would be really great, like so. And now as you can see, let's enter. We can choose a status with Kanban and divide it by groups, show the battery, customize the card, and so on and so forth. There's also now these are on the blank one because we didn't choose anything for them. So you can rename these if you want to. Now to change the color, I'm just gonna click conditional coloring here, and for example make it pink when the status changes to done, and that's how it will look like. Now again you can click here and rename your table. Now for the calendar, as you can see, it's now added like so. The date, you can change it here, and so on and so forth. So that's basically how you can create your daily tasks. There's also a lot of things you can add, like tables, charts, gallery. For example, you can use your gallery and add it here. Some applications. And also, if you are comfortable with using daily work schedule, definitely use the template. It's really convenient. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.